core system libraries failing because of the Tape Stop Effect DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. As we prepare to resolve Tape Stop Effect, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Tape Stop Effect, a specialized system library providing the stop and control routines for legacy tape drive storage systems. While extremely rare in consumer environments, its corruption can cause issues with older specialized backup software used in enterprise settings. Now that you're up to speed on the files role, let's begin the repair process. Tapestop belongs to the Windows System Core. Running sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt will scan for corruption and replace missing or damaged versions automatically. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Tape Stop Effect, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for Tape Stop Effect DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for Tape Stop Effect. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Tape Stop Effect or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.